Nitrogen is an essential element and needed for all living things. Our bodies and cells need nitrogen to make DNA, RNA, and the amino acids that build proteins. Without nitrogen, we'd have no life. Nitrogen is recycled, so the nitrogen that's in us could have once been part of a meteorite or even a dinosaur. So where do we find nitrogen and how is it recycled? Often, people think of oxygen as the air we breathe in, but actually 78% of the air we breathe in is nitrogen. The form of nitrogen we breathe, N2, has triple bonds between its atoms. Triple bonds are super strong, and this form of nitrogen cannot be incorporated into living things. Nitrogen needs to be fixed in order to be usable. A small amount of nitrogen is fixed by lightning in the atmosphere. Some nitrogen is fixed through industrial means, but most nitrogen is fixed by specialized bacteria living underwater and underground as part of the nitrogen cycle.
In the first step of the nitrogen cycle, nitrogen-fixing bacteria take atmospheric nitrogen, break its triple bonds, and add hydrogen atoms to form ammonia, NH3, and ammonium, NH4, which can then be used by plants. In an oxygen-rich environment, other nitrifying bacteria can add oxygen to ammonium and ammonia and convert it to nitrite, NO2, and then to nitrate, NO3. Nitrite is an unstable intermediate form. Nitrate is stable and plants use it to grow and develop. Animals, including people, get the nitrogen they need by eating the plants with converted nitrogen. Animals excrete excess nitrogen in the form of ammonia back into the environment. Ammonia is also formed by the decomposition of dead plants and animals. Nitrifying bacteria turn this ammonia-rich waste back into nitrites, NO2, then to nitrates, NO3, to feed the plants. To complete the nitrogen cycle, denitrifying bacteria convert excess nitrates back into nitrogen gas, releasing it back into the atmosphere.
Specialized bacteria convert unusable nitrogen from the atmosphere and from organic sources to a usable form. First, through the formation of ammonia and ammonium. These can then be converted to nitrites or nitrates by nitrifying bacteria.
Nitrates are a great form of nitrogen for plants. Denitrifying bacteria take excess nitrates and put nitrogen gas back into the atmosphere, continuing the nitrogen cycle.
Thank you, microbes!